How's it going, everyone? We got to talk about TNXP before it explodes up. Guys, this is a rare opportunity. I know it seems depressing. I know you're like, yeah, this thing sucks. Not if you're getting it at the entry that I'm alerting at. In the Discord, I alerted this at 58 cents, a freebie for everyone. That hasn't got in and you want to get in. I alerted this. I'm gonna go to my Discord. For everyone that's not in, you can join anytime. The link's below. But I said on my swing trade alerts, I'm going to add TNXP at 56.50, and I bought another one for 60 cents. I have an average of 58 cents. This thing is not done, guys. I know it gets depressing, but I'm telling you guys, watch this thing go way above my target, and we sell early, of course, and it just keeps running. So TNXP, we have one gap here, two gaps here, three gaps here, and then four gaps here. So it definitely has made lots of gaps, and the thing is, I don't really care much about that. It's just, to me, it's just so distorted, right? We have so many of that. We have an RS back in June 10th, and it was 1 for 32. But here's what we need to look at, guys. Anybody that knows my system knows this is set to explode. If this goes to the EMA 20, you're going to make massive money. That is sitting at $1, and it's only fluctuating 4 cents each day. So there's massive room up. And if you look at this, guys, just take the time. Look at the last time we hit the EMA 20. It was right here back in May 24th. Are you kidding me? We know it has to hit the EMA 20. I'm telling you, you guys should be so freaking excited when this thing goes down a little. So May 24th. The current date is June 19th. So after this weekend, that's going to be 2 months of not hitting EMA 20. That's very, very rare. We don't see that often. So let's just go over this. What's the last time it long as this thing took? March 28th, price goes away, and then we go swiftly up to the EMA 20 back in May 3rd. So March 28th is like a month and some time. Very short here. We hit this, we go back, we take another month and hit it. So these things happen. Here was a longer one, but look at what algos do to a T. They come up to these EMA 20s, and what happens is that's a selling block. Use these as resistance. Any downtrend stock will use the EMAs as resistance. That's why oftentimes you see me taking profit at the 5, sometimes at the 10, and then definitely at the 20. And what happens is this comes tumbling down. We're not surprised. Anybody that has my system should know that. So right in here we have 901, and then the last time I hit it was 1031. That's still you know very close to 2 months, and you see how it price swiftly came and did that. So this is I think this is a very rare opportunity. This is a hidden gem for anybody that doesn't know. For the volume wise, it's decent. It's not like the greatest, but we're averaging almost 1 million a day. That's not too bad. So I don't think it's like really red flags here, but I'm looking at the K, the bottom indicator on the line. We're at 7.85. We're under 10, so that looks good to me. It's just one of those things like I want to get my feet wet. If it gets lower, I'll just buy more. I'm very confident in this play, and I really see like for a penny stock, this has less risk than all of them combined. This is one of the best penny stocks out there. It has a low K value. It hasn't hit the EMA 10 in a very long time. So we know it's going to hit the 10. So if you want just a conservative target, you can see not even this was hit on the 10. Because look at this. The open price was 55.49, but we'll just count it because it's close enough. So if we count this one June 3rd, we hit the EMA 10, which is the yellow band. Anything that don't touch it in 1 month time frame is long. Well, look at this. We're at July 19th. So June 3rd to July 3rd is 1 month. July 3rd to July 19th is a month and like 2 weeks. So, we did have July 4th weekend, so we did have some days that we didn't trade. So, but, my stance is, guys, I am extremely bullish. I am a very, very extremely bullish. I would not be surprised if we hit we should definitely fill this first gap here at 70 cents, and that's probably might where the EMA 20 adjusts to, but I really think you know, we're going to hit this EMA 10, which is at 65, and it's fluctuating only a penny each day. It's not like it's fluctuating a lot. 69 to 66, this one was roughly 2 to 3 cents. So we'll say about 2 pennies a day. So 65 to 63, price is at 57. We'll see what's going to happen. Keep your eyes on this. We hit the EMA 5 a couple times. Like right in here, all through here, all through here, all through here. But yeah, I suspect a nice rally here. The K's getting pretty low. It's at 6.72. So I'm saying all these things. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I love using exponential averages. I love using the band strategy. The A plus setups are always going to be near your ATR 4, which is here. As you can see, when we go well below these things, price tends to move up in an orderly fashion to the EMA 5, and you can make massive profit. We played this one before in the Discord team. I played it way back down in this consolidation pattern, and we made decent money because this we knew was going to touch the EMA 5. It did it. We got out of the price. There wasn't enough time distance to aim for the 10 and 20, so you can get back in here again, take some more money, get back in here again, and aim for the 10 now and the 20. So that's the goal for TNXP. There is so much money to be made on this thing. It's actually ridiculous, and biotechs often do the biggest moves. So do keep that in mind. But that's my thesis here. All the EMAs have to get touched. They will get touched, and I know bizarre time frames. We're at a bizarre time frame for the EMA 10. That's why it's on heavy watch. Yes, we're not touching the ATR 4, but I'm willing to take that risk because I know we're going to touch the EMA 10. It's not fluctuating down that much, and I can see a big explosive candle to that. The EMA 20 will get hit too, but I think it's going to take a little more time. I say right down here, closer to the 80-cent region might, but I would not be surprised if this thing just explodes up. I've seen it before. The one comparison I can do is maybe cent. When we've seen these massive gaps before, this is kind of the same situation. Gap 1, gap 2, gap 3, gap 4. Consolidation. And what happens is price will move up, and what happened too is we haven't had an EMA 10 and 20 touch for some time, especially the EMA 10. I would have played it, and look what happens. We cover all this ground, consolidate again. We would have been out well before this area, before this big move happened, but because it could have went down, but look at that, it went up again. So yeah, keep this on your watch, guys. Same similar pattern, but I really think this is a safe pay. All right, guys, I'm headed on out. I just want to make a quick video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, do it. I'll give you my alerts, my entries, my exits, why I'm taking trades. You know, you get all my education prior, you know, future that is only exclusive for Discord members. If you guys want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. I'll pin a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It's in my description. You can't miss it. When you click that link, guys, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is head on over to the server shop, and you'll see the services I offer. These are highly valued services. I've been doing this for over 6 years, and you will win over 95% of your trades. I promise you, you will win. I do not, like, I'm not trying to get, like, egotistic, but this system works, and I think everyone can make money on this. Watch my accumulation video. I have a 4-set ad rule. I only do one ad, one a day, and I look for the EMAs for targets, and there's a lot more that goes into it, and it's so simple, but it's so highly effective. I promise you, you'll be profitable. So for Swing Trading Plus, you can do the $6 a month, and that's what TNXP is. The better service, in my opinion, that I do consistently is the day and swing trading. I love day trading. It works so much better with my system, and I make 30% in minutes. No joke, in minutes. And I can show you that if you really want to. So $12 a month for the day and swing trading plus. You have access to everything. And like I said, I highly encourage the day trading because there's always something to do. Swing trading can be very boring. Sometimes you gotta wait, but for the day trades, in, out, 5 minutes, you know, you're making 24%. This trade was a couple minutes, 15%, 8%, 17, 8, 21, 12, 10, 3. You know, you take one loss here and there, but 11, 17, 2, 5. You know, it just keeps going and going and going. And these are trades you're in and out with a high setup. You're using the same strategy, guys. You're using the same strategy of this, but in lower time frames. So you got to think smaller. If you know price has to hit the EMAs, well, lower time frame is going to do it much faster. And so that's what we look for. But I also look for the reason why I got in TNXP is because, one, I saw a lower time frame hit right in here at the 56. So I wanted to be like, okay, I want to take a little entry here. That's where I'm trying to take my entries. But as you can see on the lower time frames, we are moving up from there. But as that's what you want to see. So this is definitely a swing trade. I definitely see longer term potential. I definitely think we're gonna hit the EMA 20. I have no doubt about it. It's looking really really good, guys. So I just want to give you guys some confidence. I just don't see, anything can happen in the market, but I feel really good, guys. So I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. It's one of the cheapest with the most highest win ratio with full transparency, guys. Go to the service shop, pick what you want. Day and Swing Trading Plus unlocks everything, and do it on your computer as it is slightly cheaper, and you will get alerted on your phone when I take trades, when I take exits, and everything. So I hope to see you guys in there, and more importantly, there's an amazing community, and hope to see you guys there. Peace out.